Alright, I'm going to try to show the amount of movement in these. Well, if I'm catching. Here's the front, furthest to the front. Here's the next connecting rod. So they seem to be moving front to aft.